What's up, YouTube? This is Joel with TruLife Investing. Hope you've been having a great day. Wow, man, Facebook. Some crazy things are happening with this company and its stocks, and it's not good. It's going down. What's going on? So that's what we're going to talk about today. So when we look at their stocks for Facebook, they, in the past 3-4 days, they have gone from 244 to 215. And now they've leveled off at around 220, but still, that's some huge drops for Facebook. And it's all over these companies boycotting them and saying we're not going to put ads on Facebook. And this is just crazy. But you know what's not crazy? Subscribing to the channel, liking this video so we can keep growing the channel, keep bringing this awesome content, bringing this daily journey of TruLife Investing to YouTube, into this community. So we're going to get back into it. When we look at Facebook, when we look at what's happening, this is, all companies go through this. And sometimes it's like where whenever you have people that are advertising on your channel and then something happens and the policies are not really being, not what other companies want to agree with, and just, it gets a little hairy, it gets messy, stocks start going down because people say, well, if Facebook's not going to have these companies advertising on their platform, then they're not going to be generating revenue. So that means that it's going to come down. So that's where people start selling off. And when we look at Facebook and we look at its overall 3-month growth, that during this pandemic, it's been doing pretty well, but now it's kind of facing some strongholds, And when we look at the companies that are dropping Facebook, it's crazy. I've got a list for you right here. We've got Adidas, we've got Best Buy, Clorox, Conagra, Denny's, Edgewell, Personal Care, Ford, HP, Puma. And this is the thing. This is not even the whole list. I just got a couple of them for you. And whenever something happens like this, you got to decide, okay, do I pull out my money? Do I pull out my shares? Do I make call options? Do I make put options? Like, what should I do? And when we look at its history and its consolidation points, we can see that if more companies keep pulling ads out of Facebook, and if they don't change their policies, more people are going to sell off their stocks. And that's where the stock goes down. So you ask the question, should we buy a put option? Should we bet that the stock of Facebook is going to come down in the month of July? Because that's what all these companies are saying, that they're going to boycott, some of them for the rest of the year, some of them for the month of July. And so it's, changing, with different companies. But I mean, it's just not good that people are pulling their ads from Facebook. So I think that there's going to be some policy changes. As soon as those policy changes happen, that stock is going to just jump up. People are going to be happy. People are going to want to put, their ads back on Facebook, and everybody's going to be good. And the stock's going to be doing well. But how long is it going to take? When is it going to happen? Those are your big questions that you have to, say and take into consideration, because not only are we dealing with a pandemic, we're also dealing with Facebook and other companies boycotting Facebook. And when you look at the news, even RobinHood is putting on here from Bloomberg, hey, Facebook under fire as companies pause social media ads. You got Benzinga, same thing. And it's just like, even Bank of America is a huge one that's pausing their ads. And it's like, should you pull out? But, analysts on RobinHood are saying to buy 83%. So it's like, who do you believe? And this is where you have to look at your account, look at your portfolio and say, what's going to be the greater risk? Should I keep my stocks in there, or should I sell off before it goes lower, or should I buy a put option and bet that the stock is going to keep going down? Honestly, that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm honestly going to buy a put option and say that Facebook's going to continue to go down unless something over the next couple of days where they have some policy changes. And that's just being real. It's being very transparent. You can see where right here, when it took that first drop, it consolidated to around the same thing that it had over here, 234, took another drop. It's consolidating with what it did around here. And, I say that the next drop is going to be kind of to around here. I mean, that's just my opinion. That's what I feel. So I'm probably going to buy a put option around there. And that's where I'm just going to bet that the stock is going to continue to go down. Unless tomorrow or the next day something happens where Mark Zuckerberg says, hey, we're changing our policies completely, this, and this, and that, then everybody's going to be happy and the stock's going to keep going up, just like it has been over the past 3 months. So there's your tips in the news with Facebook. There's a lot of things happening, but this is just a part of the stock market. This is a part of investing because this just doesn't happen to Facebook. This at one time happened to Alphabet, and it's just a part of being a public company where public investors and the media can be involved with how your stock does in the market. So just want to thank everybody for all your support. Thank everybody for all the comments, all the likes. We're definitely growing the channel. We're getting more views, and I just appreciate all the support. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button so we continue to grow the channel. We have so much to look forward to in the future with this channel. So if you want to start a RobinHood account or a WEBULL account, my links are down in the description. You get some free stocks with them. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, which is down in the description as well, to keep up with the latest news that I find out about stocks and about the stock market. And just remember, we're in this together, and we're going to grow together, and I'm going to keep bringing all this new up-to-date news for you so you can make the best decision possible for your investing journey and for your investment portfolio. So everybody have a great day. This is Joel with TruLife Investing. We'll see you later.